Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Khadar Entertainment channel and me Muhammad Khadar Hayat. Today I will tell you some information about pollution. All of us like to smell, hear and see things that are clean, healthy and beautiful. We like the smell of fresh air filled with the fragrance of flowers or the sweet smell of damp soil. All of us like to hear birds chirping, leaves rustling in the wind and the gentle sound of a flowing stream. We like to see the pleasant view of mountains, rivers, forests, and greeneries around us. But nowadays, our surroundings is not so clean and beautiful. We see our cities crowded with houses, buildings, factories, cars or buses. When we go out, we can smell smoke coming from factories and vehicles and the stinking smell coming from garbage dumps. When we go out, we hear loud noises coming from the traffic, construction work, machines running in workshops, aeroplanes flying overhead, or loud music. We see open drains overflowing, garbage thrown around everywhere. We see sewage and factory water being released into our rivers and lakes, making them dirty. We see the air full of smoke and dust. These dirty things we smell, hear and see in our environments are unwanted and harmful to us, spoiling the environment with the addition of any dirty or harmful substance is called pollution. You know that our earth consists of living and non-living things. Living things depend on each other as well as on natural non-living things like land, air and water to survive. If these non-living things become dirty or polluted, then living things find it difficult to survive. Let us see how the air, water and land get polluted. There are different types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, etc. Poisonous gases are given out with smoke from vehicles and factories and causes air pollution. Garbage and harmful chemicals cause soil pollution. Loud sound causes noise pollution. Cities are more polluted than the village. Do you know that temperature on the earth is increasing because of pollution? The rising temperature is melting the ice in the polar region, making it difficult for the animals there to survive. Saving the earth. We must stop pollution of all kinds if we want our earth to survive. We must take care to keep our earth clean by doing some of the following things. Do not throw waste material all around. Use covered dustbin to throw waste. Reduce the use of private cars. Use school transport to go to school. Ask your elders to join a carpool or use public transport. Do not waste paper unnecessarily. Paper is made from trees. Plant as many trees as you can. अगर आपको मेरी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो पसंद आई है, लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब प्लीज कीजिएगा।